you without any papel lang ito. You better go back to them and have the legal. Wala. For what? I am a citizen of this country, a former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're asking me to go with you? Abogado ka?
Hindi ko.
Ay, tawagan mo yung abogado mo.
Tol, si Alex. Kasi kanina wala pang warrant. Kasi, sir, he used to be, also,
Our upper class.
Division
Commander, 6 Division.
PC Dancer natin.
Ko, I'm sorry to be talking loudly, but you know, this is a serious matter.
They just transmitted to me, sir, a copy of the... Kanina, sir, nire-request ko na pagbigyan lang kayo na makauwi sa bahay makakuha ng mga gamit. Kasi wala pang warrant of arrest until we get a copy of the warrant of arrest. Kasi yun man yung requirement.
That is the only
They're saying,
legal
but they
thing.
now, sir,